The Hollow Crown is 4 Shakespeare plays about a dynasty of English kings. Richard II, Henry IV, and Henry V.
I shall, hereafter, my thrice gracious lord, be more myself.
We chose our title, The Hollow Crown, because a theme that runs through these plays is this idea of the weight of responsibility that is borne by the man who wears the crown was thought to feed on the soul of the king himself.
How I came by this crown, oh God, forgive.
It's a dynastic drama about kings and queens and princes and thieves and whores and lowlifes and medieval England and fathers and sons and war and truth and beauty.
Once more onto the breach, dear friends, once more!
We've tried to make very contemporary pieces of cinema that put story and narrative and action and relationship at the forefront. And I think as films, they really stand up to a kind of cinematic standard.
We happy few. We band of brothers.